Looking outside right now in Wise County, here's what we see. A lot of blue sky, pretty day across Wise County. As we look from the campus of UVA Wise, part of our Ashley Home Store camera network. Beautiful conditions, nice warmth, at least when you're in the sun. A little cool at times when you're in the shade today. Look at the dry air we've got in place, all right? 37 right now is our dew point. Yeah, that is incredibly low. It means there's not a whole lot of moisture at all in the air. When you combine a low amount of moisture, clear skies, and light winds, what we'll have tonight is good radiational cooling. During the day, the sun kind of warms up the earth. It brings all that solar radiation in, and we get our milder temperatures. But at night, with nothing in terms of cloud cover to kind of trap in that heat, all that escapes back up into the upper atmosphere, and we cool off quickly. So expect cold temperatures tomorrow morning, down into the 30s and 40s once again. I can't rule out some frost in a few spots, especially towards Johnson County, into parts of Smith County, eastern part of Washington County, higher terrain of North Carolina, and even into parts of Carter County. May see some patchy frost in a few areas around those. Now in the Tri-Cities, I think we'll likely stay in the low 40s, around 41, 42, so frost potential a little lower in the Tri-Cities, but still rather cool as we start off your Tuesday. Now into Tuesday afternoon, here's what we're looking for. Temperatures to rise back up into the upper 60s to low 70s across the region with beautiful sunshine once again, all thanks to high pressure and really no big weather systems across much of the central and eastern United States. The exception to that is south and west towards Texas, right to the south of Houston right now. Tropical storm Beta still spinning around, and also some rain here across parts of Louisiana. Kind of an onshore flow from that tropical system. But with high pressure, you get sinking air. So around our region through the next couple of days, we're still going to see lots of sunshine and relatively nice conditions with temperatures in the 70s. Now, some high cirrus clouds may try to work their way in as we go into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. So you may see a few white clouds in the sky. Same thing into Wednesday, especially the further south and west you go. And these clouds are kind of fringe effects of that tropical storm, which is a 45-mile-per-hour storm right now, getting very close to Texas, kind of in between Corpus Christi and Houston here. You see the counterclockwise flow around the system helping to draw in moisture off the Gulf of Mexico. Tropical storm warning still in effect all the way over to portions of central Louisiana and then down towards the center. A lot of the winds with this are on the northeast side of the system and kind of disorganized here on the southern and southwest side. So this system is going to continue to kind of meander over Texas for a day or two before making its way back to the north and east as it gets picked up by a frontal system that's approaching. Now by Friday afternoon, it'll be approaching portions of northern Mississippi and western portions of Alabama. So for us, that means rain chances look to increase as we go into Thursday and Friday with some scattered showers at times on Thursday, and the same thing as we go into Friday. As we go into the weekend, Saturday looking a little better, but Sunday we got to keep our eye on because another frontal system is going to move in. You'll kind of see all that reflected here on my 7-day forecast. Notice the rain chances creeping up for Friday up to around 50% and then lowering a bit on Saturday before heading back to 50% with a couple thunderstorms possible on Sunday. Temperatures getting up to near 80 degrees by Saturday as well. Average temperature this time of the year for highs is around 77 and average overnight low around 53. So very below average for those overnights and those mornings. Tuesday and Wednesday morning, but back to near normal as we go into Thursday, and then temperatures actually a little above normal as we go towards the weekend. Now looking long term next week as we go into days 8, 9, and 10, you can check it out already on our Storm Track 5 mobile app, but it looks like we may drop down once again into the 70s and 60s for highs.